We'll be needing a headband, a scissors, a glue gun, a tape measure, and fabric. So the first thing we're going to be doing is measuring out the headband. The headband is about 14.5 inches, and we're going to be measuring the width of the headband, which is 1/2 inch. The next thing we're going to be doing is multiplying 14.5 by 4, which will give us 58, which is the exact measurement of the fabric. We are going to be cutting a width of 6.5 inches by 58 inches. Now we are measuring 6.5 inches out. This is the fabric after it has been cut. It is 6.5 inches by 58 inches. The next thing we are going to be doing is folding the fabric into two. And as you can see, the edge of the fabric will be too large for the tip of the headband. What we are going to do now is measure the headband. We want it to be fitted upwards to this length. Now we're measuring the length, which is 1.5 inches. We want it to be fitted 1.5 inches upwards. We're going to measure that. We're going to be folding this side of the fabric in, and now we are going to fold the fabric into two by the width, and also fold the fabric vertically. Now we're going to measure 1 inch on the width and also measure 2 inches upwards. We will be marking 1 inch width and also marking 2 inches vertically. Just give it a slant marking and cut the fabric. This is what it looks like, and now we are going to be taking the fabric to the machine and sewing it. This is what it looks like after it has been sewn. So now we are going to flip it over to the other side. Now we have flipped it over, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be inserting my headband into the fabric. This is what it looks like now. I'm going to be applying glue from my glue gun to these tips to make it nice and firm and neat. You can as well sew it down if you don't want to use glue. This is what the finished product looks like. I'm going to show you how I styled it in the next clip. Please keep watching. So guys, this is how the final product came out. You can style the headband anyhow you want. You can adjust it anyhow you want as well. But get the idea, this is what it looks like. Please share, like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.